Hi there, it's Sachin here. Welcome to my channel. And really quick, in this short video, I'm going to be sharing with you, if you're interested in getting Builderall, I've got a 50% off discount on the starter plan and the funnel club plan. Okay, so if some of you are just joining or in a free trial or are looking to join Builderall, then trust me, this is going to be a really good deal. So I'm going to be giving you 50% off on this starter plan and 50% off discount coupon code on this funnel club plan. What you need to do is click the link below this video in the description of the first line, register to Builderall through my link, and send me a message on Facebook, and I'm going to be verifying your name, your email, and then going to be sending you the discount coupon code within just 12 to 24 hours max. Okay, because I need to verify this thing that you have joined through my link. If you have joined through some other affiliates, if you're already there, then it's not going to be working for you. Okay, this is for those people who have not joined Builderall, and it's a great platform. You can even join through the RPM, that is Rapid Profit Machine by Jade's Neighbor Taylor. There's a button over here. You can join from here. Join over here and then send me a message on my Facebook profile. My Facebook link is given below the description. Send me a message there, and this is an awesome platform where you get basically a website builder, email autoresponder, one domain for the starter plan, 2,000 subscriber space to send out unlimited emails, and that's great way. Okay, so these are some of the features inside the starter plan and all other plans over here. You can look right over here. You can pause this video at any time and look at all the features over here. Okay, now let me give you some calculator over here. So you need to get Builderall, and you will be instantly approved as an affiliate to promote Builderall. Now let me show you what does that do for you. So for example, if you see the payment plan, if you get this plan, you can even sell this plan to anybody who is looking out for Builderall funnel club. Okay, you don't need to buy this plan to sell this plan. You just need to get this one, and you can sell any plan that you want. The magic is, let's say for example, you buy this plan and emit for 50% discount is going to be like $8.95, and with this you can save up to $40 over here, more than $40 over here. So let's say you get this plan and you refer somebody, you're going to be getting 30% of that person. Okay, 30% referral commission. So that could be like maybe $5, for example, just to understand it in a better way. $5, then that person refers somebody else, he is going to get 30% of that particular referral, that is $5. Top of that, you're also going to be getting commissions from the second tier referral. Okay, that is amazing. So let me show you some math over here. So let's say for example, you refer like let's say a really conservative example, like 5 people in a year, and those 5 people bring in 5 affiliates, and you're bringing like 5 sales. Okay, so that is close to 862, like 7 sales you bring in, let's say 5. Okay, so that is a really conservative example in a year, and it's going to be like $647 per month, absolutely recurring commissions. Okay, so that is amazing. So let's say if you bring in 10 sales and those people bring in 10 affiliates, that brings in 10 sales, that is going to be $2,000, more than $2,000, $2,372 per month coming into your account without you doing anything. Okay, that is so amazing. So be an Builderall affiliate. That is going to be making you a ridiculous amount of commissions if you promote it in a right way. Okay, so if you want to start and you don't have that much cash to start, and you want to get some discount for the front end, that is like a starter plan, please get it through my link right below this video, and reach out to me on Facebook. My link is given below in the description. Facebook, send me a message on Facebook that I have joined through your link. I'm going to be verifying that thing, your email, your name, and sending you the discount coupon code within just 12 to 24 hours. And you can basically start for free. There is no need to add any credit card because they have got this 14-day free trial. So you can join for free. And within that 40 days, you can reach out to me, ask me for the discount coupon, and I'm going to be giving you within 12 to 24 hours max. Okay. Now listen, this discount coupon is only available for a certain amount of period. I don't know how much long this management are going to be keeping this 50%. So by any chance, if you get it through my link, you join through my link, I give you a discount coupon code, and maybe it didn't work, then probably it has expired. So don't delay, my friend. Get in for this plan. It's going to be really beneficial because it's going to save you like $40 to $42. Right? So click the link below this video. Get in with Builderall. It's an awesome tool to send out emails and also to send out instant messages to the WhatsApp, all that kind of thing. You can see SMS messaging, WhatsApp over here. It's amazing, amazing. All right. So thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.